Hi, Andrew from Harcourts. You've caught me. I'm on the deck down here at Harbour Beach. I'm at 11 Fenton Cres, absolute beachfront, 2-bedroom shack, stunning location. That's what they say. It's all about location, and it doesn't get any better than this anywhere. Absolute beachfront. Have a look at the view. Absolutely stunning. Little track right down the beach. We're literally right on the sand as we speak. It's a 2-bedroom shack. You've got a second shower and a second toilet downstairs, surrounded by prime development. It's a beautiful location. So I'd love to show you through. It's going to get a lot of interest. It's a fantastic location, as we've said. Give me a call, we'll get you through the property. I'm going back down the beach.